Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Today we're looking at a paper from the Hugging Face trending list, published on September 12, 2025, which was about 4 days ago. The standout idea is a retrieval-based pipeline that turns a small set of human seed questions into a large, diverse instruction dataset, leading to measurable gains for domain-adapted models. The paper is titled, SearchInstruct, Enhancing Domain Adaptation via Retrieval-Based Instruction Dataset Creation, and the implications for model training are quite significant. Beyond dataset creation, the method supports lightweight model editing with preference-style fine-tuning, while keeping general abilities largely intact. Also, the author shared a GitHub repo. You'll find a Python framework that turns seed instructions into diverse variants, plus tools for RAG, web search, and API-based response generation. There's a configurable pipeline with main and pipeline scripts, sample seeds, requirements, a run script, and utilities to customize retrieval and filtering. Well, Figure 1 presents the full 4-stage pipeline, which turns a few human seed prompts into grounded instruction response pairs so the model can learn domain knowledge without retrieval at inference. The flow starts with human seeds, then an LLM expands queries. A retrieval block gathers up-to-date documents via web search, RAG, or APIs, which means program interfaces to external services. Finally, another LLM writes evidence-based answers from filtered context. Figure 2 shows that fine-tuning with the SearchInstruct data leads to clear wins in both tourism and culinary domains. The bars report outcome shares across win, tie, and lose, which is a head-to-head judgment where annotators pick which model response is better. Matina 8b and Matina 70b both win far more often than they lose, so the added instruction data meaningfully improves domain handling. The consistent gains suggest better coverage of realistic, constraint-heavy queries. So Table 1 quantifies how the pipeline scaled up training data, which matters because more targeted samples usually translate into better domain skills. This table shows 3 iterative stages that each run expansion, retrieval, and grounded answer generation, followed by an overall total. Culinary accumulated 8,932 samples, and tourism reached 7,560. The stage-by-stage counts indicate steady yield, so iterative feedback loops clearly produce substantial, focused coverage. So, Figure 3 illustrates a feedback loop that keeps improving the domain model. Because weaknesses trigger fresh, targeted data generation. The loop starts with question authors creating new seeds, moves to SearchInstruct producing SFT data, and then trains the updated model. Evaluators assess outputs and feedback failure cases, which restart the cycle. This process yields focused, incremental gains until improvements level off. Alright, 2 takeaways stand out. A small human seed set, plus retrieval and diversification, reliably scales into high-quality instruction data, and the resulting fine-tuning improves domain skills without needing retrieval at inference. The same pipeline also enables lightweight targeted model edits. Thanks for listening. That is the AI Research Roundup. I am Alex.